In the middle of Sprinkle Town, where jelly bean trees sway in the breeze and sidewalks are made of bubblegum bricks, everyone's favorite treat came from one magical place, the ice cream train. Every Saturday, the train would roll in, tooting its chocolate syrup whistle, with cars filled with scoops of every flavor you could dream of. Rainbow popcorn swirl, cookie tornado, banana blast, even glowing marshmallow fudge. It was run by a jolly old engineer named Scooper Sam and his helper, Poppy, a cheerful kid who loved inventing things, especially sweet ones. But one sunny day, as the train approached Sprinkle Station, something felt off. Sam! Poppy shouted. The brake lever is frozen in ice cream. Sam pulled, yanked, and even bit at the lever, but it wouldn't budge. The ice cream train couldn't stop. It zoomed through the station, then through Lollipop Loop, and straight toward Milty Mountain, where no train had ever gone before. Scoops were flying out the windows. Sprinkles rained down like confetti. People everywhere were chasing behind, licking the air and laughing. But Poppy had an idea. She grabbed her backpack and pulled out a giant waffle cone net, a licorice lasso, and a cherry-powered slingshot. With one epic launch, she flew to the front of the train and landed on the control panel. Time for a sugar fix. She poured hot fudge on the frozen brake and it melted. Screech! The train came to a halt just before plunging into a pool of sticky caramel lava. Everyone cheered. And guess what? The ice cream train now had a new tradition. Flying flavor rides with parachute scoops for everyone. And from that day forward, Sprinkle Town knew sometimes the best adventures happen when things go a little out of control. The